Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to ollie on a fingerboard. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is my very simple tech deck fingerboard. Okay, as you can see, it's just a tech deck fingerboard. This is the design on the bottom of it, but whatever type of fingerboard that you have, it's all gonna be the same for ollieing for the most part. Now, some people will ollie with 2 fingers. I prefer to ollie with 3 fingers, okay? What you wanna do is get your ring finger on the back side of the board, your middle finger on sort of the back center portion of the board. So your ring finger goes on the back, your middle finger goes just in front of the back trucks, okay? And then the index finger will go sort of towards the center-ish of the board, not directly in the center, just probably slightly in front of the center by maybe like 1/4 of an inch, just a bit. What you're gonna wanna do is put pressure downward on the board, okay? You're gonna press down, not very hard, but hard enough so you can get a little bit of force when you come up. And then you're going to essentially use your ring finger to pop the board up like that. So you're gonna pop the board up like that. At the same time, you're gonna be sliding your index finger forward and sort of trying to move your hand like this. So you're gonna be forcing it forward. What that's gonna do is you're gonna bring it like this, and then when you slide your index finger forward and you force your hand forward, you're gonna pop it in the air, and then you're gonna try and land it. Now, we'll take some practice, and I might not land, I probably won't land all of them, just so you know. I'm not a professional. I used to do this as a kid. I was really good, and I stopped doing it for many years, and now I just picked it up again, so I wanted to do some tutorials. So I'm not gonna land all of them, probably, but I'll show you exactly that. So put some pressure, just like that. Put some pressure, just like that. Put some pressure, just like that. Wow, I landed all of them so far, which is good. So a little bit of pressure, just like that. So as you can see, it does take some practice, okay? And some people can ollie really high. Like if you can do it with 2 fingers, generally you can get higher, but it's harder to control. So you can progress from 3 fingers to 2 fingers eventually, and then you can get much higher with the ollie, right? Because I can pop it in the air really high, but it's harder to control with only 2 fingers. So that's basically it. As you can see, that is how to ollie on a fingerboard. Very simple tutorial. It's not that it's hard. It will take some practice though. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.